So I have to do something with these eggshells, and I'm going to show you how. Stay tuned. Well, welcome. I'm glad you're here. What we're going to start with is filling the pot with water and getting it over to the stove. We're going to turn our temperature setting to about medium high so that we can get this water boiling. No need to add any other additives. We're just boiling eggshells. What you're going to see now is me adding eggshells from the first 12 container of eggs that we have set aside that's been chilling out in our garage after cracking eggs for whatever meal we were making. I do want to explain to you that during the process of drying your eggs out, after you crack an egg, be sure that you tell your family, and oops, I think I dropped one, but we're just going to keep moving right along. Make sure your family knows to rinse those eggshells and then place them out to dry before placing them into the foam containers, as you don't want to accumulate things like maggots or any other bugs. You're already going to accumulate some bacteria, but that's the purpose of us boiling them now, right? So I was actually trying to make sure what I was doing here. Yeah, I am agitating these eggshells in the boiling water on the stove to make sure that any loose bacteria, products, or anything that could have been left on the eggshell is boiled up to the top so that we can pour this off. No salmonella when we get ready to go to the sink. And that's what you're going to see us do in just 1 second. But oh yeah, and those are cookies we were making. I think they were peanut butter. What we're going to do now is look at this stuff boiling on top. That gooky stuff you don't want. Yup, the same stuff that comes out when you're boiling eggs. And I still have all of these cartons to go. Not the cream cheese. That's for another video. But as we remove this pot and get ready to go over to the kitchen sink so that we could pour this hot boiling water off of these eggshells, we're going to go through a rinse process too. When we get to the sink and we start boiling, about midway, you're going to see a little blooper that I just decided to leave into this video. However, I did use it in a reel on social media. I wonder how many people actually caught the pot falling. Did you see that? You got to look real close. Pay attention, y'all. Don't be overstimulated. So now we're just going to continue to rinse these eggshells and check for any residue that I do not want within them. Adding a little faucet water, swishing them around, picking out the ones I don't want and setting them aside. That's going to be your process for getting through boiling the eggshells. Once you have boiled all of them, so while we're rinsing these, let's talk about some of the benefits of eggshells. Things like the fact that it brings tons of calcium, and it's really been documented by many nutritionists that the eggshells can provide almost like 2 times the amount of daily recommended amount of calcium, and it also helps to regulate your heart rate as well. I'm taking these egg shells through 2 rinse processes. So we're going to go on with the benefits. It also adds some anti-inflammatory effects. So if you're dealing with things like joint, connective tissue, and things like arthritis, lupus, gout, even back pain, eggshells added to your diet, the calcium that derives from it, can be a great benefit to you. It also can add keratin from the protein layers of the eggshell. So if you'd like to add it to like your shampoo or something like that, it will add some shininess to your hair. It also promotes some muscle functions. It controls like your levels of magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium in your blood. I researched some of this information and found quite a few wonderful articles. One by Dr. Axe
was written a few years ago, and he documented a bunch of studies that was done, including one that was done back in 2013, a study that was completed by a nutritionist by the name of Linda Antonaro. I think that's correct. And within that study, they derived that supplements, calcium supplements, did not allow for no fractures in most people like they use when they're selling these supplements to most people. They advertise that it helps, build your bones, keep you from getting fractures, this, that, and the other. So I wanted to touch on a little bit of the benefits and some of the, we talked about some cons and the pros before we get to the point of dehydrating. So the next step that I'm going to show you is how I place them in my Oster dehydrator, which allows additional drying for the eggs. I do this because I like to make sure I'm getting rid of the bacteria and salmonella. So I want to get these out of the dehydrator and show them to you. In the next video, though, because I didn't want to make this too long for you, we will talk about amounts to use, ways to use it, and more research with your eggshell powder. If you like the information you received in this video and you would like to have more of this type of education with things you can utilize around the home, please like and subscribe. And don't hesitate to leave a comment, ask me a question. I love making these videos for you. Bye.